Hey everyone, I'm going to show you one of my son's favorite books. Even though he's only 15 months old, he is obsessed with tractors, so we got him for Christmas the Big Book of Tractors. This has 4 giant fold-outs, so it goes through telling you about all the parts of a tractor, the different accessories, and then it has a huge fold-out so you can kind of see the different sizes. We have tractor tools and harvest time. Heavy tractors. Yes. Snow and sea. And this is moving and building. So this is a great book for kids to get a scale idea of how big different things are. There are other books in the Big Book series. We have Big Book of machines, Big Book of animals, ocean animals, I believe, bugs. So pretty much anything the kids can find and that they're interested in and be fascinated with and learn. If you'd like to see more of this book or any of the others in the Big Book series, just let me know.